Phrasal verbs with go. Let's enjoy learning together. Take it easy. Go after. To chase or pursue something. Physically or metaphorically. He went after his dream of becoming a professional chef. The police went after the suspect but lost him in the crowd. Go against. To oppose or not agree with something. Her decision went against her parents' wishes. Lying goes against my principles. Go ahead. To proceed or continue with something. You can go ahead and start eating, I'll join you soon. The manager gave us permission to go ahead with the project. Go along with. To agree with a decision or plan. I don't fully agree, but I'll go along with your plan. She went along with his idea, even though she had doubts. Go around. To circulate or spread. There's a rumor going around that they are getting married. A bad cold is going around the office. Go away. To leave a place or disappear. He told me to go away and leave him alone. I hope this headache goes away soon. Go back. To return to a place or situation. I don't want to go back to my old job. She went back home after living abroad for years. Go by. To pass time or to follow rules. 2 years went by before I saw him again. We have to go by the rules in this competition. Go down. To decrease, sink, or happen. The temperature went down overnight. A big scandal went down at the company last week. Go for. To choose, attempt, or attack. I think I'll go for the steak tonight. He went for the last slice of pizza before anyone else could grab it. Go in for. To participate in a competition or develop an interest in something. She decided to go in for the marathon next year. He really goes in for extreme sports like skydiving. Go into. To discuss in detail or enter a profession. I don't want to go into details now. She went into medicine because she wanted to help people. Go off. To explode, ring, or spoil. The bomb went off in the middle of the street. My alarm went off at 6 a.m., but I didn't wake up. Go on. To continue or happen. Please go on with your story. What's going on here? Go out. To leave home for entertainment or extinguish. Let's go out for dinner tonight? The fire went out before the firefighters arrived. Go over. To review or examine something. Let's go over your report before submitting it. I went over my notes before the exam. Go through. To experience or check something carefully. She went through a tough time last year. I need to go through these documents before signing. Go up. To increase or rise. Gas prices have gone up again. The new skyscraper is going up quickly. Go with. To match or accompany. That shirt goes well with your jeans. I'll go with the salad instead of fries. Go without. To manage without something. We had to go without electricity for 3 days. I can't go without my morning coffee. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and use it to review and learn anytime. See you in the next video.